Hi babes, today we'll be looking at how to draw a simple eyebrow for a makeup beginner. First of all, this is my scoring brush. You try and raise your eyebrow a little bit. Then this is my eyebrow brush. You put a dot at your under eyebrow, a dot, then another dot at the front. Your upper eyebrow is a dot, then another dot. This is another step for you to achieve a simple eyebrow. Then from here, take another dot, another line, join it to the other dot, then you go down, you join it together. Then you can shade your eyebrow. Shade your eyebrow very well. Then you put your stroke. You extend it a little. For a beginner, perfect. This is another step. Thanks for watching. Hi babes, I'm about to teach a makeup class how to draw an easy eyebrow for a beginner. First of all, you take your scoring brush, you raise your eyebrow, raise it very well. And after raising your eyebrow, you take your eyebrow brush. For a beginner, this is for a beginner. Then you draw a line, a very simple line. You draw an upper line. Join it together. You shade. As you can see, I'm shading my eyebrow. Shade very well. For you to get a beautiful eyebrow as a beginner, you put on a stroke at the front of your eyebrow. You extend it a little. This is perfect. Then you use your scoring brush. To raise it a little. This is very good. These are very perfect eyebrows, you can see. Thanks so much for watching. Hi babes, I'm here to teach a makeup, how to draw a makeup eyebrow. As a beginner, first of all you have to apply your powder. For you to get a very easy and sharp eyebrow at the end of the day, you apply your powder with your powder brush. You take your scaling brush, you raise your eyebrow a little for a beginner. Then you take your, this is my eyebrow brush, you draw a simple line, as you can see. I'm drawing a simple line. You join it together. You shade a little. You shade a little. This is for a beginner. Very simple. Perfect. You take your scoring brush. Your scoring brush. For a beginner, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.